This is the Sweet 16 third round. Big Blizzard versus the greatest of all time, Diamond McMichaels. The winner of this match will go to the Elite 8. Now we're talking. You win this, you're on your way to become the first ever Famdam champion. Now Kid Sir Wiggles defeat Big Blizzard, who's been dominating this tournament so far too. This guy from Snowland. Also test his strength. Ooh, insecurity. Ooh, big takedown by Big Blizzard. Ooh. Side suplex by the greatest of all time. Two powerbomb. Oh no, he reversed the powerbomb to an armbar. Big kick to the face. Can Diamond McMichaels defeat Big Blizzard? Ooh, big splash at the top rope. Diamond McMichaels goes outside the ring. Could Big Blizzard get the biggest win of his career and defeat the greatest of all time? Ooh! .9. There's a classic Diamond McMichaels pile driver. And a wiggle suplex. Oh my god, this is awesome. Again in the middle of the ring. Diamond McMichaels in a great match, close match, tons of 2.9 count. Oh my god, my armpits were sweating. But the greatest of all time moves on to the Elite 8 and he wins with a wiggle suplex.